Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video today, I wanted to talk to you about taking care of yourself and most importantly, taking time out to relax and rejuvenate your body. We live in very crazy times today. So if you look at, the average person, they wake up to an alarm clock and they're rushing to get out of bed. If they've got children, they're rushing to get the kids to school so they can go to work and do everything they have to. So we wake up in the morning and we're constantly in a stressed state. And then you get in the car and there's traffic and that creates more stress. And then you get to work and all of a sudden there's all these deadlines that you have to meet and you're pushing to get everything done. And so we're constantly in a stressed state. And then you're coming home and usually there's traffic and there's a lot of stress happening there as well. And so you come home, if you need to make dinner or, taking care of the million things that, always need to be done around the house, whether it's cleaning up or whether it's, doing something around the house or something to fix the house. There's always something to do. And so what's happening is we're constantly in a stressed state and then we go to sleep. And then we wake up in the morning and we're back into that same routine. And so whether you're getting enough sleep, because oftentimes people aren't having the greatest sleeps these days because their mind is constantly on overdrive. They're constantly thinking about their work. See, in past generations, right, this is how things worked. So we were always in a relaxed state. If we left the cave and we went out, we went looking for food or something like that, and then a lion appears. All of a sudden we get into a stressed state and we run, we do something to save our lives. We go back to the cave. So all of a sudden now we're back in the safety of the cave. The stress disappears. All of a sudden we're back in that relaxed state again. And so it's happy days. The body is able to heal itself. The body is able to repair itself and regenerate itself because it's in that rest state. But even with work, if you look at work in the past, we didn't have mobile phones. We didn't have all the technology that we do today. We didn't have the internet. And so when a person went to work, if they started at 9 o'clock in the morning and they finished at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, that was the end of their work. They went home and they could relax. They may have thought about their work or thought about things that they can do with their work, but their whole focus wasn't on their work. Whereas today, the majority of people can work from anywhere in the world as long as they got their mobile phone with them. They have access to all their contacts. They have access to the internet. They have access to their work 24 hours a day. And so what's happening for a lot of people is that they're not having that time where they actually just switch their minds off and just allow them to be present and relax. And that is one of the biggest causes of a lot of the illnesses and negative experiences that we're having in our physical bodies today, because we're constantly in a stressed state. The adrenals are working overtime. And, if you're in a healing business, you're probably feeling like you're giving out more than you're getting back. And that is really common for a lot of people in not just as healers, but in most work environments. People are constantly feeling like they're burning the candle at both ends and they're just giving so much and not feeling like they're getting enough back in return. And so there's that constant stress energy, that constant stress state. And as long as we're in that stress state, the body's not able to rejuvenate itself. It's not able to heal itself. And so it's really important that you actually take some time out to allow yourself to get some sort of rest. So what is it that allows you to relax? So, maybe it's on the way home from work, instead of going straight home, go and sit in a park. Sit there for half an hour or an hour. Or, maybe riding a bike or going for a walk in nature or going for a walk along the beach or something. Do something that just allows you to switch off from everything else and have time where you don't actually carry your phone with you, where you're not contactable, where you just allow yourself not to be distracted by, the million things that are happening around you. Because there's always a million things happening for all of us. There's always so much going on, especially if you have a family, if you have children, a partner, there's always something happening for everybody. And so when you're bombarded with everybody else's stuff, it's difficult for you to allow yourself to take that time out and rest. So it's really important that you give yourself something or some portion of time that you allow yourself just to be present. So it could be getting to work early, and instead of going straight to the office, what you do is just go and sit in the park. Do something that allows you just to switch off from everything. And, doing a meditation is really powerful too. Like, just sitting there in a theta brainwave. If you can't think of a meditation to do, just sit there in a theta brainwave and just allow yourself to be present. You'll be amazed the difference that it makes for your livelihood, for your mindset, for all aspects of your life. And it will help you to create balance, because if you don't show the universe that you're important and that you matter, then the universe is not going to give you that back. Everything is a cause and effect. So when you show the universe that you're important, that you're special, that you deserve time out for yourself, and that you're worthy of that, then the universe is going to give you opportunities to fulfill that. And it's going to give you more back, because you are worthy, you deserve it. And so good things will start to happen for you. But the first step is you taking time out for you and allowing yourself to have, that special time of the day. And, whether it's, once a week, if you need to, like at the start, just set aside a little bit of time where you can just allow yourself to switch off from the whole world and just be present and just relax, doing something that you enjoy. And maybe even doing some knitting or something, or maybe, going outside and fixing something. Do something that you enjoy, something that allows you just to switch off from everything else, allows you to unwind, and you'll find that you'll actually have better sleeps. When you have better sleeps, when you have more relaxed sleeps, you're going to find that your body is going to heal itself even more. And so it's going to be even better. So the key is to take care of yourself, find something that you enjoy, and allow yourself to take a bit of time out. So in the next video, I'll actually give you some downloads in relation to that. So if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'll keep you notified of new ones that are coming up. Like it, share it with friends who you think can benefit from this as well. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.